How to edit Google Business Profile categories. Hi guys, in this video I'll be teaching you how you can edit Google Business Profile categories. So while setting up your Google Business account, you would be asked to select a category. All right, if the category you selected then was not what you actually wanted and you'd like to change it, just follow me as I show you how to do so in this tutorial. The first step is to log in into your Google Business account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, the next step is to go ahead and select Edit Profile. Edit Profile tool is next. It's located next to Read Reviews. So just click on it that way. Now, once you've clicked on it, you'll be taken to a page where you'd see your business information. Now, under the business information tab, you'll see other options such as about, contact, location, hours, and more. Now, we'll be working with the about tab, and then under this you'll see about your business, which include business name and then business category. So just click on it. And once you've clicked on it, you would see primary category. That is the first one you filled in when you were about to sign in or create a Google Business account. And then to change it, just tap on it this way, erase this, and then type out the category you'd want. And then once you're done changing it, scroll down, click on save, and then just like that, the category would be changed. It is that simple. So this is how you can edit Google Business Profile categories. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching.